Imagine a room where everything is tossed everywhere, shoes next to books, toys next to socks. What if a computer could sort all of it by what it means, not just by what it looks like? Picture a huge library with thousands of books. A smart librarian doesn't shove books on random shelves. Cooking books go together, science books go together, and storybooks go together. Embeddings do the same thing for words. Every word gets turned into a short list of numbers. The word cat might become 0.2, 0.8, 0.1, and the word dog might become 0.3, 0.7, 0.2. These numbers are like a tiny address that says where a word lives. Those numbers are like GPS coordinates on a big map of meaning. Words with similar meanings sit close together on the map, and words that don't match sit far apart. We call this special map embedding space. At the very start, those numbers are totally random, like throwing darts blindfolded. The word cat might land next to airplane, which makes no sense at all. The map starts out completely jumbled. Then the AI reads millions of sentences and starts paying attention. It notices that cat and dog appear in similar spots, like the cat sat, the dog sat. I love my cat. Words that share the same neighbors get pulled closer together. It's like little magnets inside the words. Cat is a magnet that pulls toward dog because they're so alike. King pulls toward queen. But banana stays far away, because banana shows up in totally different sentences than king does. After lots of learning, the map becomes beautifully organized. Animals gather in one neighborhood, colors gather in another, and countries gather in their own spot. Each little group is a friendly neighborhood of related meaning. Let's check with a real example. King and queen are very close on the map, because they mean similar things. But king and banana are far apart, because a ruler and a fruit have nothing in common. The distance between two words shows how alike they are. Here's something magical. If you take king, subtract man, then add woman, you land right on queen. The map isn't just sorting words, it's learning patterns like gender and royalty, all from the numbers. This is exactly how modern AI language models understand you. When you ask a question, the system turns your words into numbers, finds the right neighborhood on the map, and writes back an answer that fits the meaning. It's how AI knows happy and joyful mean almost the same thing. So remember that messy room from the start? Now every word has a perfect home on the meaning map. Similar words are neighbors, and that simple idea is the foundation of how modern AI understands language.